Hello everyone, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. I am really excited to be starting today's tour on the third floor of this wonderful property at 1428 Page Street. Again, this is a top floor apartment, and you can see right outside of this apartment is this amazing deck that has a little garden area right here. Some sitting areas and barbecue, and then you can absolutely see, downtown, the surrounding city. You can see we have a very commanding view. You can see the church in the distance, and then of course this direction is the ocean. But again, amazing. Now, if you see all this greenery here, this is really important as well. If you see all this greenery, that is the panhandle of Golden Gate Park. So you're just one block away from that, and then also one block away from iconic Haight Street. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this property. Okay, here we are entering from the roof deck. You can see a really wonderful slanted roof here because we're on the top floor. Great archways throughout the hallway here. Just absolutely beautiful and unique. Very old style European. Let's go into the apartment. Again, this is a studio apartment, junior one bedroom as we would call it. Here we have a brand new renovated kitchen. So you can see it's just absolutely gorgeous. Quartz countertops, full size range, microwave, Bosch dishwasher, deep sink. Those are double pane windows that were just recently installed, and lots of cabinetry space, tile floors, all enmeshed in this really white, off-white paint scheme, which really makes it feel very warm and inviting. Just give you more details. Again, black accented handles, really modern. It's very warm and inviting. Here we are, the bathroom. Nice tub, shower combination, little dressing area at the end here, and then turning around, we have a full-size vanity, medicine cabinet, and then sink here for you, and towel racks, of course. Again, all tile backsplash, all very nicely done. Again, you have another arch entryway here. Super huge closet, walk-in closet. You could almost fit a bed in here, it's so big. Which is really nice. And then here you have the living room / bedroom. This is currently being fully furnished. This is currently furnished right now, as you can see. And the pieces are fairly large, so it gives the room a smaller size. But you can either keep the furniture as you see it right here, or if you want, we can unfurnish the property and then you can design it as you will. I've seen this unit designed with a twin bed and then a big nice couch as well, and so that really worked out, so you have more of a living space as well as a sleeping area. And again, those are double pane windows, and you look out onto the park and the deck right there, so you get lots and lots of light. It's about to rain, so not too much light today, but you can still see that it's pretty bright. All right, thank you very much for watching. Again, oh, I forgot to say, hardwood floors. I'll be shooting you a video of the street, but again, if you're interested in this property, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. And again, this is March 2023, and we look forward to seeing you here.